Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so I got Terry in the booth today. Terry doesn't talk much, but he's gonna talk in this video. So we actually in the booth today, right? And we're busy with a spray job. This is one of the cash cars. We call it cash cars or the quick work that came in. So it meaning that it's not a restoration car on our side. It's just paint work that we're doing on the car. So I did do this video. I think it was a follow-up on the previous white car. I can't even remember what cars were in there.
Yeah.
But it was one of the cars that I done in there, right? So bodywork was okay on the car. There's a lot of work to be done on it, a lot of pinning and filing. But it wasn't one of the worst cars that came in. I'm choosing to do the video like this today because we've actually got someone neutral. Right, and you're gonna hear you're gonna hear it. You're gonna hear Terry's opinion.
I'll talk for now.
You see, he's already started talking, so that's good. So you're gonna hear Terry's opinion basically, right? So Terry's also got the Evo 2 with us, and it's also white, right? And that car we're actually gonna be that's one of the three cars that's in severe
condition. It needs a lot of work.
right. So that's in severe infrastructure work. So, like they say, we're saving the best for last.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just go through this car, right? But I think it came out good. I think it really came out good. Let me turn this camera. So you can hold the mic.
Alright, cool.
So, you're not very...
But you don't.
Okay, I like the way this one came out. And again, I was emphasizing on the sharpness of this line, right? And I kept on, and that the customer was also seeing what I've been talking about.
You know, that's like one of the things that you showed me initially when you did the grey car, Precious one. That you look at the lines, because it stands out. It's like it's becoming a signature now. Yeah, looks proper.
So again, no waves. No waves. Yeah, so I'm coming down with a light for you guys, right? And you can follow the reflection down, and you can see. Okay, so that's it. Came out good. We got a couple of dust spots on there, but nothing major. That's on the clear as well.
Yeah.
But like you guys saw, the red car that can get cut off.
You know, the other one thing that you're getting right spot on all the time now.
Yeah.
And I mention it all the time whenever I come to the booth is the peel.
The orange peel.
It's spot on all the time, like proper OEM.
So you said you basically also said it yourself. It's more consistent, right? And look, it's actually this is nice.
And you know, like a lot of people don't enjoy the peel.
Yeah.
Like I even told you that even on mine, I want the peel.
Yeah.
It needs to be there.
I think once we've saw the peel, right? We want it there.
Yeah.
And you know what? Did you see it on the 333s now?
I've seen it on the 333.
Like
It looks
the 333s,
gorgeous.
you can actually see what we're talking about now, especially on the black. The black is quite nice. But I just want to come from the front check. Signature. It's just really like this is nice. I'm trying to find the light here so you guys can follow. So this is the peel that it is talking about here. There's my finger here. Follow the ripple in there, right? You want consistency in it basically. So this is nice. Look at the corners here. This is nice and clean.
Yes.
Yeah. Nice. You know, I always spoke about this area, right?
Yeah, because it gets very complicated to get the paint in there.
Yeah.
And it's uniform all over. But the uniformity over there, all over, like it's proper.
Yeah, that's it. Come on, nice and clean. Not the bonnet. I would assume that Atul will better in the center of the bonnet, but he actually gets the bonnet in the roof spot.
Yes.
And I don't know how he gets it, but he gets it.
And it's spot on, eh?
That is lying on the white, eh?
That's just giving me goosebumps, eh? I can't wait. Gives me goosebumps.
Look at the sharpness of this line, eh? It's just, it's signature, like you said, signature, but it's.
Yeah.
No, it came out. I think it came out good. This again. That's a nice thing. We can go through the car, right? And we can go through the whole car. And we can iron out our imperfections.
Yeah.
But we can also look for crap, and we can't find crap.
There's none whatsoever.
Right?
Yeah.
Besides for a run here and there, it's actually good. Look at the peel on this here. I'm not going to catch it on this.
I think it's and the camera doesn't do it justice. Like we always say that, but the camera doesn't do it justice. Seeing it with your own eyes is another thing altogether.
Look, it came out good. This is going to be a quick video. It's not going to be like the others. It came out good. But white, it's very hard to get a nice liking out of white.
Yeah, exactly. Especially detail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think we got it right. Shemaine Williams, I know. If you are watching this video, and the reason why I'm mentioning you in this video is because your car is coming in next month, and we're going white.
Oh, he's bringing the eyes.
Yeah. So we're going white in the. You're sweating. You're sweating. I'm also sweating.
Still cooking in here.
Yeah,
we're drying with the car.
This boat is about 40 degrees now. So, Mano, here's white. We should be able to get your car exactly like this, yeah? And I think I must actually phone him.
He needs to come see it. He needs to come see it.
So, anyway, guys, this is a short video. It's not a long one. You guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers, guys.